Okay, let's get into it. Sorry if there's any echoes. So we have a linear inequality, and now really quick, linear as in line, right? One line. So if we just take a quick look at this, does this not resemble this? Y equals mx plus b, y is less than 2x minus 3. So let's just take a quick recap. What does m mean? M right here is just the slope, right? How curvy something will look, right? How the slope will look. Just to give you a quick example. What does b equal? B is the y-intercept. So when we have a graph, you agree this is x, this is y. Y, whether it goes up or down, is where that specific point lies, whether it be here, 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 or here. That's all that is. So let's take a quick look at this. So the first thing I like to do is we got y is less than 2x minus 3. What I like to do is I just change it all to y equals 2x minus 3. And remember really quick, y and x are just random points. Those are not important. The real important one is the m and the b. So right here we got m is 2. Or we could think of it as 2 over 1. Okay? Y over 1, technically any number, whole number, has an imaginary one underneath it. I don't know if you knew that, but that's just a general rule. Our b is equal to negative 3. Simple so far, right? Nothing crazy. So let's graph this guy really quick. We got our x, we got our y, we got, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, afterwards, we're going to shade the region. And I'm going to tell you guys how to do it the easiest way. So first things first, always look at your b. Never the m, always the b. What do we got? Negative 3. And our b, remember, right over here, our b is always our y-intercept. That's the moment that the line crosses touching the y, whether it be here, here, a straight line like this. It's that moment it hits the y line. That is the most crucial point. So b is equal to negative 3. So right here, where's negative 3? We have 0, 1, 2, 3. No, we got negative. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's negative 3 on the y-intercept, right? Because this means this is where the line's going to hit him here. We don't know which way it's going to go, but we know it's going to pass here. Next, we got our slope. We look at m now, which is 2 or 2 over 1. Remember this. Rise over run. Rise meaning up and down. Run meaning left and right. Because last time I checked, you can't run from down to up. You can only run side to side, right? Or straight and back, forward and backward. So our rise is 2. So starting at the b, or at our y-intercept point, we're going to go up 2, 1, 2. And it's positive, right? So that's why it's up. If it's negative, it's down. Our run is 1. So it's positive, right? 1, 2, and then over 1. Boom. Put a dot right there. And repeat it again. 1, 2, over 1. 1, 2, over 1. Now we're getting excited, but that's basically, it would just continue, 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 continue. Now, the next thing. Notice in our original linear inequality that this is not this one. When you see this, solid line. When you see this, dotted line, or vice versa, right? It could be these two. It's just, just a rule of thumb. So let me use a different color. So we got dot, 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 dot. This is our line. Now, let's say we want to shade this guy in. This is the easiest way I do it, and if I could just get your attention to the original equation over here, the easiest way I do it is this. Y is less than. So when I see less, or I hear the word less, I know this means below. When it's the other way, right? When it's, let me make it darker. When it's this symbol, greater, this means above. So when I hear the word less, I think below. So really quick, this is our line. This is our y. What's the word less? Less is below. So below the line, we will shade. And that's how I think of it. That's the easiest way I do it. Some people do the plotting point thing. Life is already hard enough. I just think of it logically. Boom. If this thing had said greater, greater means above the line. You feel me? So that's about it for that.